Abandon. Abandon means to leave someone or something forever. For example, they had to abandon the car in the snow. They had to abandon the car in the snow. Accept. Accept means to take something offered or agree to something. For example, she accepted the job offer happily. She accepted the job offer happily. Accompany. Accompany means to go somewhere with someone. For example, he accompanied his sister to the doctor. He accompanied his sister to the doctor. Accuse. Accuse means to say someone did something wrong. For example, the teacher accused him of cheating. The teacher accused him of cheating. Achieve. Achieve means to succeed in doing something difficult. For example, she achieved her dream of becoming a pilot. She achieved her dream of becoming a pilot. Acknowledge. Acknowledge means to accept that something is true. For example, he acknowledged his mistake and apologized. He acknowledged his mistake and apologized. Address. Address means to speak to a group of people. For example, the president addressed the nation on television. The president addressed the nation on television. Admit. Admit means to agree that something is true, often unwillingly. For example, he admitted that he had lied. He admitted that he had lied. Advise. Advise means to tell someone what you think they should do. For example, I advise you to see a doctor. I advise you to see a doctor. Affect. Affect means to cause a change in someone or something. For example, the cold weather affected the harvest. The cold weather affected the harvest. Agree. Agree means to say yes or have the same opinion. For example, we all agreed with his idea. We all agreed with his idea. Allow. Allow means to let someone do something. For example, my parents allow me to stay up late on weekends. My parents allow me to stay up late on weekends. Announce. Announce means to tell people about something officially. For example, they announced the winner this morning. They announced the winner this morning. Apply. Apply means to ask formally for a job or place. For example, she applied for a scholarship last week. She applied for a scholarship last week. Approve. Approve means to officially agree to something. For example, the manager approved my vacation request. The manager approved my vacation request. Arise. Arise means to happen or appear. For example, problems often arise at the last minute. Problems often arise at the last minute. Arrest. Arrest means when police take someone to the station. For example, the police arrested 2 suspects yesterday. The police arrested 2 suspects yesterday. Assist. Assist means to help someone do something. For example, a nurse assisted the doctor during surgery. A nurse assisted the doctor during surgery. Attach. Attach means to fasten or join one thing to another. For example, please attach the file to your email. Please attach the file to your email. Attend. Attend means to go to an event or class. For example, she attends English class every Saturday. She attends English class every Saturday. Award. Award means to give a prize to someone. For example, they awarded him a gold medal. They awarded him a gold medal. Bake. Bake means to cook food in an oven. For example, my mother bakes bread every Sunday. My mother bakes bread every Sunday. Bargain. Bargain means to talk about a lower price. For example, tourists love to bargain at the local market. Tourists love to bargain at the local market. Beat. Beat means to defeat someone in a game. For example, our team beat the champions last night. Our team beat the champions last night. Beg. Beg means to ask for something strongly. For example, the child begged for an ice cream. The child begged for an ice cream. Great job finishing today's lesson. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's words. New vocabulary every single day. See you in the next one.